Hello everyone. Welcome back to ProTech Tutor. Today, we have a quick and easy tutorial for you. I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode in Windows PC or laptop. So, let's dive right in. First things first, go to Start or Windows on the bottom left corner of PC or laptop screen. Then, go to Settings and click on it. Once you're here, click on Personalization. Just click on Colors. And then, choose your color here. There's 3 options here: Light, Dark and Custom. Just select Dark Theme to on the dark mode. And there you have it. Dark mode is now enabled on your Windows computer or laptop. Your interface will now be in dark colors, making it easier on the eyes and perfect for low-light environments. That's how easy it is to turn on dark mode in Windows 10. Whether you're working late at night or just prefer the stylish look, dark mode is a fantastic addition to your Windows experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.